Hello, so today I'm gonna unbox Trackmaster Donald and Douglas. I just received them today. I'm gonna open Donald first and then Douglas in the same video. Just open this guy. Somehow, I don't know. Hold on, how do I open this again? Okay, there. Here's Donald out of this box. Let me just, cut that. Oh, hello. Instructions. And then, this. What I remember when I was a kid. Oh, he's out. There he is. Donald. Hold on, light. There he is. This is tender, number 9. So, I'm gonna put a battery in and then I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, so I put a battery on him and then I'll get more track later after I unbox Douglas. So now let's unbox Douglas, his twin. And then that. Oh, there he goes. Here's. They're just the same. It's fine. I mean, they're twins after all. I'm gonna put a battery in it on Douglas. Okay, so I put batteries on both of them, both Donald and Douglas. Now it's time to run both of them at the same time. Pretty fast. They're pretty good runners. I would recommend both of them. If you want like good characters in the show, like these are my favorite characters. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like and subscribe. And bye.